Well, interesting. I think I now know what to do. Whereas my last video was going, I don't know what to do. I think now I've decided which bike's going to be the donor bike, which bike's going to be the project bike. The answer is both. Hey? Both. I can't break either one of those. They've both got superb bits on them. I think the original project bike is going to be probably, I might make it into a, I won't say a calf racer because I hate that saying calf racer's not calf racer, but I might make it a little bit special. And the other one, the one that was going to be the donor, is going to be done up really nice. So it's going to be a really nice bike, and the other one is going to be into a special. I'll call it a special. Calf racer's not a bit of me, to be honest. Yeah, so stay tuned. Let's see if we can make it work. See you later. Yeah, I think that this baby here, which is the original one, this was going to be the restoration project. I think what I'm going to do with this, it's a bit dark and dingy here, but I think what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to restore this, but I'm going to make this a calf racer. I don't like the word calf racer, but you know what I mean. I'm going to paint the tag a different colour. I'm going to paint the engine black, Goss black, and the cooling fins on the heads will be polished alley. Polished alley covers, polished alley maybe outer covers. Maybe a different head unit, different speedo, in keeping with unusual types of bikes. But yeah, I'm going to make this into something special. This baby, the one that was going to be the donor, this is going to have the best of everything, and this is going to be as close to standard as I can get it. Perhaps the only difference being the exhaust. I have got the standard exhaust, but it's a little bit scuffed, and I want the future exhaust. Yeah, so the ramblings of a diseased brain. You know, I could go on forever about what I'm going to do and what I ain't going to do. But yeah, basically the decision as it is right now at the minute is that I'm going to restore both bikes. The donor bike, the bike that I'm going to restore first, is in such nice condition. Once you start looking inside it, it's just unbelievable. There's no way I'm going to break that bike up. That is going to be an absolutely immaculate original stock bike. Hopefully. The only difference being the exhaust, as I was saying earlier, but the battery decided to cut me off. Yeah, the world we live in today, full of bloody batteries. And the other bike, well, when I get round to that, I'll have the original bike to ride, so I'll be riding that and enjoying it, and I'll have the other bike as a little bit of a project to play with. I'll have to get it up to a nice condition, but I should be playing with it. So yeah, now I know what to do. See you soon. Take care.